Welcome back to the channel. You're watching 412 PSC Kustomz here on YouTube. Alright folks, so we have a new rebuild here. This is a 2014 F250. The company here sent this out to get a custom service bed on this truck, which is phenomenally built, but they since have had major issues with it. I believe that's who did the service bed, but they've had major issues, lighting issues, wiring issues. This thing's been to Ford a couple times. The only thing I don't like about it is these chiseled corners on this custom bracket. I think they should have 45 these. If you smack your head on one of these and you're a tall guy, you're going to be hurt. So I'm going to bring you in here and just show you what they put on this truck for warning with this bed. And that's the only reason why I have this thing running, is because these are on the upfitter switch. Now you'll notice that the mPower lights that we put in were flashing with it, and that's because they're hooked up on the work light side of things, and I guess that's powering them. All right, let's shut this off. We'll pull the key. As I explained to you guys before, they're trying to make these no idle trucks. So of course we have a hot wired Feniex 4200 mini set up just like the last truck we did. Front warning, rear warning, front work light, rear work light, and then obviously your on-off button. Nice about these is if you have the system running, you can just hit the power button. It'll automatically shut your equipment down, and then to power down the unit, you hit it again. But let's take a look at what we did. So in the front here, we have our normal pair of SoundOff signal 4x2s in a red-white configuration. Now this truck has some buyer's beacons on that bracket like I showed you. That's who you call if you need a quality build done. And then we have a pair of our SoundOff signal mPower 4x2s in amber white on the rear. And like the previous truck, you have your front work light, rear work light. Now these beacons, they stay running with the front warning. So there's your front work light override. And there you have the rear work light. Now the rear work light, as you can see, incorporates the imported from China LED reverse lights, as well as our mPower 4x2s. I'm going to take us outside and get a look at it in the sun. Alright guys, there you have it. Full daylight. I did forget to mention, we also replaced this 3/4 inch marker light on this truck because it had ceased working, which I'm pretty sure these will here soon too. So there you have it. Another on-site install for our loyal customers. Thanks to Greg and Marucci and Gaffney Excavating for their loyal business. If this is something that you're in need of, give us a ring, shoot us an email, reach out on social media. Till next time, be safe out there.